My name is Henry Levin. I am a professor of economics and education at Teachers College. I have been out of graduate school for a considerable period of time, more than 50 years. So even recollecting how I developed since coming from graduate school is a difficult question, and the development was over a long period of time. But I was trained as an economist. I have a PhD in economics. I immediately went to work as an economist at the Brookings Institution in Washington. I began to do work on a new field called the economics of education. This was not an established field in economics, and so it meant that I had to do a lot of learning, and as well as trying to make a contribution to that field. I took a long-term substitute position in the Washington, D.C. schools at that time. These were schools that were still segregated by race, so that was quite an experience, but it gave me a picture of what school was like from the perspective of an adult as opposed to just the child that all of us had experienced in schools. At the same time, I did my research at the Brookings Institution, and I began to understand issues that had arisen in the economics of education and began to work on many, many different aspects of that. After 2 years, and with the disappointment of the Vietnamese War, which was raging at that time, I was invited to take a position at Stanford University. At Stanford, I was a faculty member in economics and education as well, and I was there for 31 years. I came to Teachers College in 1999 to continue this career in economics and education.